India's data gap. India generates approximately 20% of global digital data but possesses less than 2% of global data center capacity. Economic imperative. Expanding data centers can attract $400 billion in investments and support India's $5 trillion economy goal by boosting e-commerce, fintech, AI, and cloud computing. Job creation. Data centers can generate 1 to 2 million direct jobs and 3 times as many indirect jobs in related sectors. Data sovereignty. Local data centers ensure data is stored within India, in compliance with the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023, and enhances national security. AI hub potential. Developing data centers positions India as a future hub for AI, capitalizing on the potential of generative AI. Global competitiveness. India can leverage its data generation strength for data processing and cloud services, similar to its success in IT services. Infrastructure boost. Data center growth will stimulate real estate, renewable energy, and telecom infrastructure development. Investment needs. Building the targeted data center capacity requires significant capital investment, $400 billion by 2030, creating challenges. Trade and cost concerns. Data localization mandates could lead to reciprocal trade barriers, increased costs for consumers, and reduced competition. Operational challenges. Unreliable power supply, high cooling requirements, limited undersea cables, and sustainability concerns pose operational challenges. Policy support is crucial. India needs policies such as encouraging data localization via incentives and subsidized electricity tariffs for promotion. Global digital leader. India has the highest number of users on several key social media platforms, emphasizing the need for local data management.